Back in my soccer days, I can tell you that the best players aren't necessarily the fastest. They're the ones that can see the play before it happens. They don't react to the ball. They read the drop of the shoulder, the angle, the setup. 3 seconds before everyone else even knew what was coming. And they positioned themselves where the ball would be. Everyone else was playing the game that was in front of them. They were playing the game that was about to happen. I think about that a lot when I look at how HR systems work today. HR leaders are being asked to run a business that moves in real time using systems that only wake up when someone files a ticket. Because most of them are playing the game that's in front of them. Reactions, they come after the fact. The system of record, stuck in hindsight. Our answer isn't to bolt AI on top of the system of record. It's a system that's paying attention, noticing the early signals, understanding what's actually going on, and showing up with an answer before you even knew you had a question. That's the shift we built for. A HCM that's ready before you ask.